Hey everyone, welcome back to Global Tech 10. Today we've got something super exciting. We're diving into the POCO X7 Pro and putting it through a gaming and camera challenge. Can it handle intense gaming and deliver stunning photography? Let's find out. First, let's unbox it. Inside the box, you get the phone, a charging cable, a fast charger, and the usual documentation. The design, sleek and premium. I can't wait to test this thing out. Now onto the gaming challenge. I'm loading up some top-tier titles like Call of Duty, Mobile, Genshin Impact, and PUBG Mobile, all at max settings. Let's push this phone to its limit, and wow, the gameplay is super smooth, the graphics are sharp, the response is fast, and I'm not seeing any lag or stutters. This phone is definitely built for gamers. Next up, the camera challenge. I took the POCO X7 Pro outside to really see what it can do. I tested the main sensor, the ultra-wide lens, and the night mode, all in different lighting. And I have to say the results are incredible. The photos are vibrant and detailed, and night mode? Seriously impressive for a phone at this price point. So, how does it all stack up? In gaming, flawless. Even with demanding games, the X7 Pro held its own with great battery life and high frame rates. And in photography, it really shines. The main camera captures fantastic detail, the ultra-wide is super useful, and night mode is a game changer. Overall, if you're into gaming and photography and want a phone that can do both without breaking the bank, the POCO X7 Pro might be the one. It's powerful, stylish, and versatile. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Global Tech 10, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the POCO X7 Pro. Would you get one? And what should I test next? Thanks for watching. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.